Our journey to success started 45 years ago. Our psyched heart, our entrepreneurial spirit, with love for life and people. We are walking towards the future with our professional manners, corporate culture, and customer-oriented approach that we have put forward for exactly 45 years with the strength and belief we receive from you. Our most basic vision before bringing our products to you is to listen to your needs, analyze them, and carry out all our planning accordingly. Our most basic philosophy is to offer the most accurate Hürsan Pres product to our customers with the highest performance. Because we know that the smile we want to see on your face creates us. The pride of shaping the products of the world's leading brands and adding value to these brands makes us who we are. When we look at all processes from raw material production to product assembly, sales and after-sales services. As Hürsan Pres, we act with an unchanging quality approach in our internationally accredited production facility at the point we have reached today. We are aware that a single Hürsan Pres brand represents the entire Hürsan family. Especially in our R&D and innovation department, we control the design and performance of all our products with the finest precision, leaving no room for error. As Hürsan, we are walking towards the future together with all our customers. With the technological infrastructure we have put forward in production, the internationally accredited quality policy, and the vision of the world that surrounds the future. From a sectoral point of view, especially automotive, we have our signature in all sectors that forming metal with our capacity ranging from 30 tons to 5,000 tons. We are one of the colorful, innovative, and powerful figures of the sector, with the pride of adding value to all the brands we work with and the happiness of being present in each of their products, and the pride of carrying this happiness to all over the world. We have left behind 45 years of stability on the basis of knowledge with our rational investments, experience, and entrepreneurial spirit. During this period, Hürsan Pres continues to produce, develop, and add value in 45 countries of the world. As a result of our complete customer satisfaction and this development, we carried our quality beyond general acceptance with international accreditation. We continue our marketing, sales, and after-sales activities continually all over the world. Unconditional customer satisfaction is the most basic principle for us. We are with all our customers in a situation that requires service anywhere in the world as soon as possible. We are walking towards the future with steady steps of 45 years of experience and knowledge with the power we get from you. We would like to thank our employees, our managers, our suppliers, and our customers for choosing us to create a Hürsan Pres brand, the honor of Turkey that will exist the next 45 years. We will continue to be the brand of innovations and firsts in all sectors with the strength and belief we receive from you. Hürsan Pres, technology shaping the future.